Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Layla, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a breakdown of my online income as well as my extra income for the month of February 2023. I've been working on my business for quite some time, side hustling for quite some time. So as a result of that, I have grown my online income and I document where I earn all of my money from for these videos. I also earn extra cash from various resources outside of my online business. So this would be various apps that I use or credit card cash back, sign up bonuses for opening checking accounts, etc. So I will also break down those earnings from February, and then I'm also going to share my business expenses for the month, which this month was pretty low. But let's go ahead and jump into the numbers. I'm first going to start with my business income, and I'm going to go from smallest to largest earnings. First on my list is Teachable. Teachable is where I have a couple of my courses. So these are for my lifestyle blog and all of that. So I have a course on goal achievement as well as self-discipline. I'm pretty sure I made a sale last month, plus they hold on to some money, so I usually end up getting paid out randomly. But that was $45.50. Those courses are always linked down below, by the way. Next is Etsy. So y'all may know that recently I decided to open an Etsy shop for this finance business of mine. And I have a couple of printables on there, as well as like a goal tracker, which was really the main success, or it's been the main success so far, which is really exciting. And I have a lot of ideas. So I'm just slowly going to be adding things to my Etsy shop. It's just going to take a little bit of time as I prioritize things. But if you're interested, I have my shop link down below. And I'm so grateful for all of the success so far. And I really appreciate the positive feedback. So I got $105.31 in February. Next is Mediavine. Mediavine puts ads on my lifestyle blog, livinglikelayla.com. For some reason, this has been going up lately. I have not written on this blog in years. So at this point, it's kind of like passive income, but I have, dozens and dozens of blog posts there, and the traffic has increased over the last couple months. So I got $285.85 from that, which is pretty good. Next is Buy Me a Coffee /support. So there are some people who watch this channel and choose to support me directly, either by sending me money through Venmo or the platform Buy Me a Coffee, which I call Buy Me a Debt Payment. So any of this money I put to my student loan debt as of right now. In February, that was $321.61. So thank you so much for all of the support on that front. And of course, thank you for just watching my videos. Obviously, nobody has to directly support me. I'm still gonna create my content no matter what, but this is definitely really appreciated and it helps me out quite a bit. Next is affiliate /sponsors. I recently started combining these, and this comes from a few sources. That was $1,113.49, which is incredible. And then the final source of income from my business is Google AdSense or YouTube ad revenue. That was $1,438.48. So still a very strong month, but not as strong as January. January tends to be the highest earning month for me year over year, but this is still really great, and it helps so much with all of my financial goals. Altogether, I earned $3,310.24. Reminder that this is gross income, so I do have to pay taxes on this. I do set money aside every month in order to pay my quarterly estimated taxes. So this is what comes to my bank account, but I don't get to keep all of it. Now, y'all have already seen this in my February finance update, but I'm gonna put up my goal tracker. My goal for 2023 is to earn at least $30K from my online business /side hustles. I am on track so far. As you can see, I am almost 23% of the way there. And if I keep this up, I will definitely be able to hit my goal, and I should exceed that. When it comes to my online earnings though, it varies, so some months it's a lot higher, some months it's a little bit lower. The last few months have been really strong for me, and I hope that continues, but this isn't something that I'm used to. If you go back and watch my income reports from the last year, you'll see that I was not earning this much, and definitely not earning this much back in 2021. So it's very, very exciting, but it is still new to me, and I don't know how long I can expect this to last. I mean, I want it to go up, of course, but I don't know. It's not something I can always predict. I can try my best to increase my income, but it's never guaranteed. Next is extra income, which I'm excited for February because it was pretty good. First up is Upside. This is also going smallest to largest. So Upside is an app that you can use when you're purchasing gas or going out to restaurants. So I will have my code linked down below. You can get $5 after you use it for the first time, but you also get cash back on gas. Sometimes they have really great deals. There was one time that I got over $6 back from getting gas. So that's a pretty big savings. It depends on your area, but I did finally cash this out. I've been using this for quite some time and never cashed out from it. So I got $21.96. Next is a Discover referral. So this is for the Discover credit card, Discover It credit card. One of my favorites. It's always linked down below, and somebody signed up. It doesn't tell me the name, so whoever you are, thank you so much for using my referral link. But that was $100. It actually comes through as a statement credit, but I still consider it as extra income because I just, I use that card for groceries or something, and it still counts as cash in my eyes. But yes, if you use my link, you can get $100 if you apply for it and get approved. Next is Rakuten. So Rakuten, they pay out every quarter or so, like every 3 to 4 months. With Rakuten, you can get cash back from online purchases. Almost every website, especially the websites I shop on, have cash back deals through Rakuten. So it's just an extension that you can add to your browser. Cashed out in February, that was $145.20. Definitely some referrals in there. So again, thank you to whoever used my referral links for Rakuten. That's always linked down below. And I think if you use my link and make a purchase, you get $30. I think that's the promo right now, but it changes. Sometimes it goes as high as $50. Next is Chase Cashback. So the Chase Cashback includes a little bit of actual cash back, but this was primarily from referrals. So it was $202.01. So this is also another one of my favorite credit cards. I have it linked down below. I know when you open a Chase credit card, there's typically a $200 sign-up bonus. So that should be available still to this day. It's a really great card. Eventually I'm going to make a review video on it probably at some point in this month, but they have rotating bonus categories, same with the Discover card. So I have really enjoyed using that card, but thank you to the couple of people who used my referral link. And when you open a card, you can also refer to other people, so if you open a Discover card or if you open a Chase card, you can, share that with your friends and family, and then you can also get extra cash back. And there's actually one more thing here, Wells Fargo bonus. So a few months ago, I told y'all that I opened a Wells Fargo checking account. I do have the Wells Fargo credit card, which I opened for like a $200 bonus, but then I got an email a few months ago to open a checking account in order to get a $325 bonus. And all I had to do was set up direct deposit and have a certain amount direct deposited over a set amount of time. And I did get paid out for that. So that was $325, which is quite a lot of money for just a few minutes of my time. That's one of my favorite ways to earn income, is opening checking accounts or savings accounts. Sometimes it can be a lot to keep up with, but I am pretty involved with my finances, as y'all know, so it's no big stress to me. And, $325, that's a pretty big bonus. So I was surprised to see that, especially from a larger bank. So that did come through. And that was everything for extra income. So altogether, I earned $794.17. So a strong month there. And I did go ahead and make a goal tracker for my extra income. I don't really have a goal with this. I don't necessarily expect anything, but I guess I'll go ahead and aim for 6K. I feel like that's pretty normal for me anyway. So I'll set the goal of $6,000 in extra income. I am 17.07% of the way there. You can see I plugged in January and February, of course. So a decent amount of progress so far. And same thing with this. If I'm able to keep up these numbers, then I should be able to hit this goal or potentially exceed that. This is another area where I can't really predict it, and I don't really know what to expect from month to month, but I do try my best to earn extra income here and there by, selling things or getting my credit card cash back, and definitely signing up for things to get a bonus. So there's definitely more things on my mind that I want to participate in to get a sign up bonus, so more to come with that. But yeah, so far looking pretty good. Final thing to go over are my business expenses, which are always tax write-offs, but February wasn't too bad. All I had to pay for was Google Workspace. This is to have Google Workspace for both of my blogs. I have like a special email that was $16.80, and that is it as far as my expenses go. So that's everything for my income report for February. I do have a couple of side hustle resources in my description box if you are interested in that. I also have a couple of blog posts around side hustles, so I will be sure to link those down below. But thank you so much for being here. None of this would be possible without y'all, so very grateful, and yeah, just thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those down below. Otherwise, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.